Alright, so I'm starting off with my Urban Decay concealer in the color 40NN, and I'm just blending that out so that the eyeshadow blends seamlessly and it has a nice base to start off with. OMG, I'm bringing it back, y'all. I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Palette. Like, I haven't used this since high school. Oh my gosh. Bringing back so many memories right now. And I'm starting off in a crease just so it's easier to blend those other colors with this eyeshadow. Next, we're going in with the shade Malted, and we're putting that right in the crease, but we want to keep it in the crease. We don't want to go above the crease or put it all over our lids. So we want to keep it right there just to add some depth to our eyes. Now we're going in with a little shimmer. I think that's the perfect touch for a pretty Valentine's Day look. I don't want the eyeshadow to be too bold. I don't want a smoky eye, but I still want something that's a little smoky, but still, you know, not too much. So I think the shimmer is a good touch. Alright, so I already have my lashes on. Now I'm going in with foundation, and this is the L'Oreal True Match in the color W6.5.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love.
So now it's time to add some warmth to the face, some bronzing. So we're going in with the YSL Beauty All Hours Hyper Bronzer. And this is my favorite bronzer, y'all. Like, it's perfect for any season. It is so beautiful and it blends out seamlessly, like 10 out of 10. So for nose contour, I like to apply the bronzer right on the side of the bridge of my nose. And I like to blend that out just a tad bit. Then I'm going to take my concealer and also apply that to the sides of the bridge of the nose and then blend that out with my under eye concealer, and it's going to give you a flawless blend. And of course, I'm using a beauty blender. Like, it gives me that flawless filter look. And honestly, if you want more coverage, I would just use my fingers. Now I'm going in with more concealer to brighten out under eye, and this is by Milk Cosmetics, the Flex Concealer in the color Vanilla. This is my favorite blush of all time. This is the YSL Make Me Blush Liquid Blush, and this is in the color 44. Now we're going back in with that one size loose powder in the color Ultra Peach. And the first thing you want to do is press that powder in. So you want to press it in your skin first, then you want to bake. So this is going to give us the perfect, smooth, bright under eye look. Like this is key, okay? Now we're just going in with a little black liner, the color Graph Black by MAC. OG color, OG. And we want to warm up our face a little bit more, so I'm going back in with that YSL bronzer. This is a Valentine's Day look, so we need more blush, more blush, more blush. This is the Giorgio Armani blush in the color 52, and this is the Luminous Silk blush. So, so beautiful. They have so many different colors, but this one's my favorite. It's like their brightest pink. So now I'm lining my lip with the YSL lip styler. I believe this is in the color, I don't know what the color is. Oh, it's the color 24. Super pretty, but this color is discontinued. I don't think they have these anymore. So now we're going in with a MAC red, and y'all probably think it's Ruby Woo, but no, it is Russian red. And guys, I have a funny story about Russian red. So in high school, I was on drill team, and everybody had to wear Ruby Woo. And my coach knew if you was wearing Ruby Woo or not, but back in my day, a lot of girls wasn't wearing makeup in high school. So literally, I was the only one wearing Russian red, but my coach let me slide because I knew how to do makeup. Like I actually knew how to beat my face and make it look good. So while everybody else had to wear Ruby Woo, I wore Russian red because I actually knew how to beat my face. Come on. Now we're just adding a little pop of mascara to add some boldness to those eyes. Like, I already have very bold, big eyes, so I just like to make them look like a baby doll. Like, I love the doll eye effect. So, yeah, a little mascara on our bottom lash. That is it for my Valentine's Day haul. I hope you guys love this look. Please leave some comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.